Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to mark as read all of your email fastly. Actually it's not really fast, whatever your reason you want to tidy up of your email. Here what you have to do, actually it's not really fast, but it is, I think this is the best way now. So open your Gmail on your browser and then click this gear settings. Open this one and then you can find see all settings here, and then here you have to choose maximum page size into the maximum is 100. So and then scroll down until you can find save change. After you save, it will be refresh, auto refresh, and then you search on the search box here, label unread. So here all the unread email on your Gmail, and then you just click more and then mark all as read. So I will mark it as all read, and then suddenly the unread email will be goes up, and then all the emails will be go up, and then you do it again, mark all as read, wait for a while, do it again, do it again, and then that's it. Now all my, I don't have any unread emails on my Gmail. So that's it, this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye.